Hello, people, our dear friends. Alrighty, we just got our doTERRA box a couple hours ago.
Came really quick.
So fast you'll freak.
Yeah.
So, this is a lot of stuff. First of all, if you're not aware, the new MetaPWR Advantage, this new flavor, this limited time only pomegranate cherry flavor, you can add this to your cart and you can do the cart in the cart, which means you can add 3 different products. It'll show you the different choices that you have because they're already there, and you can choose different things to add to your cart at a discount. Right. So, Leon, hit it. What did you get with yours?
So I decided to definitely take advantage of getting the cherry pomegranate Advantage because I use it every day. I take it in the mornings before I go to work. Yes. And then when I come back, I either have a shake or I just have breakfast or whatever during my break. But along with that, which I took advantage of that, I did get some other things that were part of the cart in a cart, or however you call it, the bonus. The new MetaPWR, the Mito2 Max, the Mito2 Max, supposedly is the new formulation.
Yes, it is.
And so I use this every day. Get me some extra energy.
Without caffeine.
Without caffeine. So I usually take this mid-morning, and it helps me throughout the day. Yep. So I put that on as an extra. And then I decided to get 2 polyphenols because I use these both morning and my evening vitamins. So I decided to do that instead of getting the LLV, because usually I get the LLV, then I either get some more of this MetaPWR, some more Advantage, or I get some other things. But I decided to do that. Also, I was running low on the Tri-Ease, and the Tri-Ease was at 10% off. Yeah. And I thought, wow, I better get it because this is the season. Everything is blossoming. It looks beautiful, but sometimes we need a little extra help. Yep. So I got that. And I was running low on my On Guard chewables. These are really good because they have zinc and they have some other goodies in there. C and D, I think. C and D in there. And, you know, it's important to have vitamin D, even though right now we're getting into the season that you get more sunlight. Mm-hmm. But it's still really good to have some extra D and, of course, the zinc. So I have these. And I don't use these every day. Just when I think about it, maybe 3 times a week. In the morning when I'm getting ready, I'll go ahead and chew one up. Also, I was running very low on my breathe drops. I switch back and forth. I use the On Guard throat drops, and I also use the breathe drops. Especially come in handy if you sing in the choir.
Which he does.
You know, you can before you get ready to perform, you can clear out your senses and stuff. So I definitely had this at church the other day. Yes. All right. Also,
the choir sounded beautiful.
We did the Easter program. So also, I told Linda, hey, this time I'm going to go ahead and buy the greens for us because we use these in our shakes every day. And so, and their superfood is so good. Yes. And I was running low, and I use these. These are the Yarrow Palm Beauty Complex. And yes, I use it regularly.
And it helps.
Yeah, my skin is really soft. Most of the time I use it on the weekends, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You know, and then the other part of the week I use the other vitamins and things like this, but I use that on the weekends. So I was getting really low. I said, hey, that sounds good. Let me reorder that. So,
and we got those on points, so those
on point. Yeah, I lucked out. I got these on points. But you know, it doesn't matter what you use. There's always something that you're going to need, because if you're using the product and you're the product of the product, you're always going to be running out of something. Yes. On the oils, you may not run out of certain ones you may have for a long time, but there are certain ones that you run out of, so you want to reorder those. You want to keep those on hand. It's always good to have a backup on the oils, because, you know, in the middle of the night or something like that, you may need some first aid type thing or whatever, and it's there for you. Digestive type issues, a headache, or even a cut or a burn or
leg cramps.
Oh my gosh, leg cramps. Some of our friends that we know, they work really hard, and when we go over and play games with them, sometimes they get cramps in their legs, you know. So they go to some of the oils sometimes, and that's really good. So that's my 2 bits.
Okay. All righty. Okay, so like we said, we got 2 of these. So I got the cherry palm as well, and I got the deep blue polyphenol as an add-on, which is so helpful if you've got achiness, stiffness, any discomfort. This is, because it's a capsule. Now the oils you cannot use internally, nor the rub, nor the stick, obviously, but these are like an overall whole body thing.
Right.
And these are so dang good.
Yeah, so
they are amazing.
like she was saying, it's got a different formulation, so you can take these internally.
Yes.
And you know, a lot of times you need things internally so your body can go ahead and go through the motions of assimilating throughout your body where you need something.
It may not help with your speech, but
yeah. But also the reason why I got 2 is because I also share these with my mom, because she's always in a lot of pain with her neuropathies and stuff.
Okay, so another add-on that I got with my Advantage is the TerraZyme, which is the enzyme blend. This will help break down your food, and then because of that, it helps you get the nutrients out of your food easier.
You know, and talking about TerraZyme, Digest Tabs, Digest Zen oil, it's all really good, especially if you're having all this really good, rich foods during the holiday.
Yes.
Like we just had some really rich Italian food because we went to our Italian friends, and they served up some beautiful, rich foods. And by the time I got home, I'm going, oh, I need some extra help.
Yeah, that's because it's good and you eat too much.
Yeah,
we
it's
both
good.
do, excuse me.
Yeah, you just got to sample everything, you know what I mean?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, and there were like 5 desserts, I think.
Oh my
I
gosh,
don't know.
5 different desserts.
It was crazy. Okay, so the third thing add-on that I got with my Advantage is the PB Plus Restore. Now you can get this by itself in that add-on, or you can get the 2 together, which is a good savings as well. So you've got the PB Restore capsules, which has your prebiotic, your probiotic, and your postbiotic.
That's
and then
the assist. This is
well,
the assist. Oh, that's the probiotic.
yeah,
Restore.
it's PB Assist is this. Yeah.
Gotcha.
He's confusing me.
Sorry.
Yeah. Is the little sachet that's kind of like a pixie stick,
Right.
and you just kind of put it on your tongue. Some people will put it in their yogurt and things like that, but I just pour it on my tongue and pretend I'm 10 again or whatever.
And I use it in my shake, the pixie stick, and then I also use the Restore because it's a dual capsule.
Yep. So, and then I got 2 of the Tri-E's. One for me, one to take back to the office because I took one from there with permission. With permission.
And they really help. They really do. You know, some people need them more than others, but you know,
it helps me.
It helps.
You have to be consistent. That's one of the things with all kinds of supplements, is being consistent is really, really valuable. Okay, then the DDR Prime. This is an overall body, these are the gel caps. So this is an overall body cellular support. So these are really, really great to have.
it helps at the cellular level.
Yes, absolutely. It does. And then I got some more of the On Guard Plus. They're kind of stuck
good
together.
Stuff to have during this, anytime, actually.
Anyway, the On Guard Plus is a gel cap. And the plus means, of course, these are the gel caps. But in addition to the On Guard blend, it also has Melissa, black pepper, and oregano in it as well. So this is a heavy hitter.
Yeah.
Yes. When you...
Yeah, really
when
good stuff.
threats are high or whatever, it's really good. I also got a Serenity Sleep Stick because these are so popular that you can only get one a month if you need it.
Right.
So mine is getting kind of low because I did some samples. So I thought, well, I might as well get it while I can.
And that, of course, I don't know, we've probably gone over it several times, but it has the valerian in it.
Oh, yes.
And it is an awesome smell, the
Yes.
combination. And, you know, you put it on and you sleep and just breathe that in, and it just helps you to go to sleep.
Oh, yeah. It's got such a yummy smell. And then the oil of the month, well, the product of the month, a free citrus twist. Now, they've only had this one other time, and it's been years ago.
So is that just for diffusing, or?
You can, I think you can, let's see. I can't see it.
CPT?
Probably you can use it topically, and you can use it in your diffuser, but there's no supplement facts box.
Ingredients.
Yeah, but it doesn't have the supplement facts on it.
Okay.
So this can't be used internally. But like I said, they've only had this one other time. So it's not in the regular doTERRA lineup. So this is the only way you can get this. So
It's just an add-on if you get, I think it was over...
If you order at least 125 PV by the 15th of the month, then you'll get one of these in your cart.
I'd like to smell that.
Me too.
Refreshing.
I love the citrus smells. They're so clean and
They're
fresh.
so yummy.
Oh yeah, that smells really good. Like I said, it's been years ago since we've had
And
this.
we'll probably be diffusing it off
So
and on.
I'm gonna try and read this. So it has, goodness sakes.
Wild orange.
Wild orange. It has lemongrass,
Wow, lemongrass.
ginger,
And
I don't know what that is.
it's
Another ginger. Okay, it's got the ginger root and the ginger root extract. So it's, and I don't think it's got anything else, but I'm having a hard time reading that little tiny print.
it said something Alicia fruit.
I don't know. Is that
Anyway, it's got a lot of yummy stuff in it.
It smells really good. So we're gonna have to put this in our
diffuse
diffuser
it.
because it's so, like I said, it's clean, it's fresh, and citrus oils. I always call them happy oils because they're just uplifting and they can help the old moods. So anyway, that is what we got.
Yeah, and again, you know, as you could tell, we use the product.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
It's worth it. It's worth every penny and every drop because it's all natural. It's good. It comes from good sourcing, and it comes from different parts of the world. And it's just so nice to have. And it's good to have good things on hand.
Definitely.
You know, it's so hard when you're like, oh my gosh, I'm out of this, or they got a back order. It's like, oh, I don't have that. So, but it's good to have the things on hand.
Yep, these are great supplements, and they just help to fortify things and keep us going.
That's exactly right. And we got to be proactive about our health.
Yeah, absolutely. So anyway, see you guys later. You guys have a
doTERRA.
great evening. Talk to you later.
Bye.